Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So, I had been using Trello for a very long time and I loved it. I loved how colorful it was and how it helped me to be very organized. But over the last 6 months or so, I've been using Infinity and I have found it to be a very, very versatile and much easier to use than Trello. It's quite versatile in the sense that it has so many things you can do with it and it allows you to do a lot more than what I could do with Trello. Trello gave me a lot of limitations and even for whichever price point I picked, I still could not do a lot of what I can do with Infinity. So I started using Infinity and I find it to be an excellent, excellent tool. So today I'm just recommending it for you. It is a fantastic tool. It allows you to structure all your work. It has different, comparing to Trello, I would say that it is easier to use. They also have templates here. Their pricing is quite good. You have different price range depending on what you're looking for. You can have different price ranges. There are different prices that you can look at. Depends on what you need. And you can see they also have a special offer here if it's something that you are interested in. So it's quite a really, really good tool. Really, really good. Some of my favorite things with it is that when you have a board, you can have a folder within the board, and then within that folder you could also have another folder within that folder. You can have a group of folders within the folder. You can also do, it has different features, and some of them include things like you can do a form. So if you want to have you want to create your onboarding process for whatever feature, you could have your form and the information goes directly into Infinity, which I think is really, really great. It saves you a lot of time. Other things you could do with it is it allows you to create your own standard operating procedures within Infinity. So you don't need to store them somewhere else, maybe like in your Google Drive or anything like that. You can store them directly in Infinity. It's also easy to use with your team because you can connect your team members to it. You can tag your team members. You can do a lot of automations as well. With reminders if you want them to remind you of a particular task on a particular day. It's really versatile and it's very easy to use. If it's something you are looking for, if you're looking to move to a system that actually helps you and doesn't give you much more work, I'll suggest you try Infinity. Um, Look at the link below in the description. You should be able to find my referral link and sign up and try it. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. Thank you for watching my channel, and please, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments. Thank you and bye.